Max Bionic, a startup in the field of biomechatronics, has unveiled its flagship product, MeHand, the bionic prosthesis of the future. This type of prosthesis is controlled by electromyographic sensors that read the electrical potential of muscles. The signal is processed by a controller, which then transmits commands to the motors. These motors position the fingers as needed. The main feature of this prosthesis is its flexible adaptation to the user's needs through data input via an app, and a smart algorithm that calculates the patient's actions and either removes or adds functionality. The MeHand prosthesis is made from high-quality materials such as titanium, steel, duralumin, and nylon, using ultra-modern precision industrial machines. It has a sturdy metal frame that transfers loads from the fingers to the forearm. This design allows the prosthesis to withstand significant loads up to 30 kilograms and create powerful force when gripping. Here is another triumph of robotic technologies, a performance by a female robot on stage. Robot creators continue to amaze us more and more. The latest model of a female robot, HRP4C, captivates audiences with her stage performance. The singing and dancing robot is now quite comparable to live performers. A video of the dancing female robot quickly went viral on the internet. In just a few days, the clip of the robot on stage was viewed by several million people. This success was the result of the creator's achievements in both hardware and software. Teaching a robot to dance is a very complex task. Although the clip of the dancing female robot doesn't feature particularly intricate choreography, programming even such dance movements has been an extremely labor-intensive task. However, the creators of the robot named HRP4C managed to tackle this challenging task perfectly. As for the technical details, the HRP4C robot girl operates under the real-time operating system ART Linux, developed by the Human Robotics Group at the AIST Institute. She stands 158 centimeters tall and weighs 43 kilograms. Her movements are powered by 30 motors, and an additional 8 motors control her facial expressions. Here is the KR Agilis, a very compact and simple-looking robot arm weighing 52 kilograms, designed for moving loads and other manipulation operations, as well as for surface treatment, assembly, and installation of parts. In general, it's a versatile limb for all occasions. The maximum load Agilis can lift is only 6 kilograms, and its reach radius is 900 millimeters. The idea to adapt the robot arm for playing table tennis was initially purely promotional. However, it turned into a real match between a human and a robot, which was definitely not staged. No one doubted the robot would win, but the match's outcome surprised everyone. The invited star Timo Boll lost the first rounds to the robot completely, but later noticed a technical malfunction in the robot and managed to use it to his advantage, winning all the remaining rounds. Boll played with a touch of the ball on the net, which is allowed by the rules of table tennis. The ball rolled over the net and fell onto the machine's side. The robot had no chance. Even if it had managed to reach the ball, it would have been forced to touch the net with its paddle, which is considered a foul. In this showdown between man and machine, the victory went to the human. Reflex Robotics showcased its humanoid robot designed to assist workers with repetitive tasks at Modex 2024 in Atlanta. During the startup's demonstration, the robot took requests from spectators and retrieved food and beverages from a shelf. Reflex's in-house design consists of a torso connected to a wheeled base that enables its sensors and arms to move up and down. The design also allows the robot to reach shelves at various heights and maneuver through confined spaces. According to the startup's website, the humanoid can complete various tasks, including beverage packaging, cutting in a wood shop, warehouse palletizing, closing boxes and picking totes from shelves. The startup added that users can remotely operate robots up to 3,000 miles away. Reflex's website mentions that customers can pay a single hardware cost for the robots. TechCrunch quoted the startup's CEO and co-founder Ritesh Raghavanner, saying the system's price point is under $50,000. Rajvender added that the robot is nearing human-level productivity, with a current human-to-robot ratio of 1:1. However, the startup hopes to achieve a 1:2 ratio in warehouses and deploy hundreds of robots globally in 2025. The startup recently raised $7 million in a funding round that included Khosla Ventures, Dropbox, and Cruise. Recycli Robotics, a leading company in AI-powered waste sorting technology, has developed an advanced robotic system that significantly enhances the efficiency and accuracy of recycling processes. Known as Recycli Robotics, this system utilizes Recycli Vision, an AI-driven vision system that can identify, pick, and place recyclable materials with exceptional precision. The robotic system can perform up to 55 picks per minute, vastly increasing the throughput of recycling facilities. It is also designed to be 75% lighter than traditional robotic waste pickers, making it easier and more cost-effective to install and operate. American engineer and popular YouTuber Alan Pan has created a unique device called punch-activated arm flamethrowers. This innovative gadget is attached to the forearms and is activated by striking a sensor, which then releases a jet of fire. The device operates on a mechanism that responds to physical impact, making its activation quick and spectacular. The punch-activated arm flamethrowers are a combination of engineering ingenuity and visual flair. The device includes a fuel tank, an ignition mechanism, and a sensor system that reacts to punches. When activated, it ejects a controlled stream of fire, creating an impressive and thrilling effect. The punch-activated arm flamethrowers are one of Pan's most impressive inventions. This gadget not only showcases his engineering skills, but also his ability to turn fantastical ideas into reality. The device has garnered widespread attention and has become popular due to its uniqueness and visual appeal. The company Unlimited Tomorrow is focused on developing and producing 3D printed robotic prosthetics. One of their most well-known products is a robotic arm prosthesis called True Limb. True Limb is a fully customizable and functional arm prosthesis that is 3D printed. It features high precision and the ability to be tailored to the specific needs of each user. The prosthesis is controlled using myoelectric sensors that detect electrical signals from the muscles in the remaining part of the arm. These signals are converted into movements of the prosthesis, allowing the user to perform various actions such as gripping, lifting, and manipulating objects. One of the key features of True Limb is its affordability compared to traditional prosthetics. The use of 3D printing significantly reduces production costs, making the prostheses more accessible to a larger number of people. Additionally, the process of customizing and fitting the prosthesis is simplified through the use of advanced scanning and modeling technologies. The Chinese company Kluvans has introduced a new model of a premium computer workstation, the J20 Gatling Battle Station, which, in addition to the necessary technical components, is equipped with treads and 2 machine guns. Both machine guns, of course, are purely decorative. The treads are also decorative and lack a separate drive, so users will need to move the chair manually. However, the tracks ensure stability on almost any surface. Users can configure the chair in any of 3 positions, allowing for work in 3 postures: sitting, reclining, and lying down. One of the coolest features of this gaming cockpit is the 4-position buttons that serve as a sturdy base for mounting. With the fully extended bracket, the gaming station reaches a height of 220 centimeters, which can be reduced to 150 centimeters by fixing the lever in the lowest position. The chair can be adjusted to a fully horizontal position, allowing for gaming while lying down. The mount is designed to accommodate either 1 wide-angle monitor up to 49 inches or 3 standard monitors of 29 inches each. There are also stands for the keyboard and mouse, and a white light is built in overhead. The cost of this chair is $4,200. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.